Is Sling down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Sling right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have this issue. So if you try to go to Google, I already went on Twitter and they already say that we are aware that some customers currently do not have access to Redzone. We're actively working to resolve this issue. Also, if you try to go on Google and if you type in Sling down, you will see that many users have reported some problems. Right now there are over 3,000 reports, and most reported problems are at video streaming and server connection. And if you scroll down, you will see some comments from people who also have this problem, so you don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. And unfortunately, there is nothing you can do right now to fix this. You just have to wait. So if you do have this problem, you can comment in the comment section down below on our YouTube video. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.